Bafethu, so friendly neighborhood Spider-Man, package you like I never left back, njengomhlane eziyono bafethu. Sasebuyelene bafethu Mpumalanga yethu, back with yet another thrilling episode bafethu. Sasekhona bafethu lapha eJufa, Sendalendo bafethu bangakakaki. Basayobona nabemona. And today I'm here with a few guests bafethu, that also our hosts bafethu. I'll let them introduce themselves.
Yeah, what's up bafethu? Igama lami TK Culture. Ngiyathi mina ngikhuluma English, ngikhuluma Swati. Intwana yaseSwatini, intwana yaseMpumalanga 1245. Nani niyazi? I'm a comedian, I'm an artist, I'm a producer, ngiyakena mos.
What's up, y'all? It's your boy Zondafa, aka Zo to the A. Intwana yase 1245. Yeah, man, Mpumalanga yethu, thrilling episode. I'm honored to be here. Me bafethu, I'm a rapper, I'm a singer, songwriter. Do everything, like I am music myself anyway.
Music is the culture bafethu.
Yeah.
So today bafethu njengoba silapha eJufa bafethu, we just decided to talk about the Operation Tutula. Siyaro bafethu, we want to know.
Ningangidodoli nami njengoba ngithi I'm from Swatini.
Okay, yeah, and that's an interesting topic because we sikhuluma ngayo before we actually started rolling the camera stuff. Context. Let me lay it out. Apparently, angisiniyathi ukuthi South Africa is a free country. Nawo wonke umuntu lana, Nigerians, whatnot. Now, sekuvuke i-operation yokuthi resources for us South Africans are not being enough due to the immigrant level. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. Yeah, I heard them talking about it behind camera. What's your thoughts? What's your thoughts on that one? Start with you, TK.
Hayi bagcwele vele man. Bagcwele vele. Uthi yahamba noma uyakuvele ilishangane vele lizwakele man. Like bakhona vele. Alama ngeke ngizongisole man mangukuthi vele ma supply of medication and stuff iyaleka.
Free things. Now deleke.
Nganaba champions nokuthi abasiba la. Uthola lishangana likhuluma Swati fluently. Angeke uzubone. Nathi ngoba vele akunapass. Nedi angeke uzwathi because asahambe siphethe lama ID nalama ID kwakhona kuyafana kubhala ukuthi lo wakuphi niyabona into lenjalo.
What's your thoughts, Spider-Man?
My thoughts about the Operation Tutula. Me, I just feel like South Africa is a free country. Everything that is happening, phela yonke lento, phela ama-condom basicedzela nje tonke tinto kude la ungayakhona ungatholi umuntu lo wasiwala South Africa. Noma usesikoleni noma usemsebenzini sisebenele nabantu abaphila South Africa, lo muntu akana ID, lo muntu akakubulala nyana ungabi indaba zalutho.
So you feel like the Operation Tutula is a good thing?
I feel like Operation Tutula is a
good
thing.
I have two views about that. I don't know, Melik, maybe you can help me out.
No, as much as njengoba sisho yabo vele kahle kahle mina into lengayisho yabo kusitamajita vele yabo if bona banga accepta lesikendawo labakendawo la to their countries because bona mina ngiyoqala dog.
Yeah, let me tell you my 2 cents and then I get yours and then we talk about it, really, this whole thing. Me, I feel like it's a good thing and it's also a bad thing, you know. Cause dog, okay, vele dog, yabo, la South Africa there's everyone, vele Chinese, Nigerians, nani yabo. Some are good, some are bad, dog, yabo. The bad ones are the ones that are causing the problems. You know what I feel? In such a way, you would see there are people out there, dog, who are not from this country, yabo. But they come here, some of them, they do good, dog. They live by the code, like teachers, yabo. There's a lot of teachers now, see that now, like
most of my private school, they're Nigerian teachers,
yabo. And them, they live by the book, yabo. They don't steal from anyone, they don't, yabo. Yeah, that's why I'm coming to.
Labo banawo ema-ID dog, like they entitled to be here. Banama-permit nje tonke tinto tashelela.
So my point is ukuthi this whole Operation Tutula thing, it makes like nalo sesibafaka bonke to second day one. Which is not the that's why I'm saying it's a good thing if they catch the rotten potatoes vele. Labantu bokuthi vele uyafika lana manipulating the system, abhatali tax, uwedile, yabona nje those type of people.
Unokubukela lo mjida umbani X from X Repo. Kanona le show ukuthi ithini stokubamba uthini. La ngizothola.
Nah, that's not X.
Oyela, it's not the same present.
I understand what show you're talking about.
Lo mjida okay. Most of it giving la bambao. The tender ma drugs la pang la Nigeria. like awuthole umzulu lapha emfana nayi cocaine la ubambile
uyabona
kulama Nigeria vele so njengoba singicale ngasho ukuthi ma private school most yabo kunema Nigeria njengoba na usho they are bad ones and they are good ones.
They are good ones, yeah.
So khona la betengendo lekhona so khona la betengendo lebetsawo. So the operation Tutula vele it's obvious it affects na la benda low right.
Yeah.
So from endlela le grade.
Funa kube ne
approachable way.
Exactly.
Ukuthi yeah sole lapha lehloka ndlebe.
And violence is not the answer, guys. Yeah. Violence is never the answer, yabo. Because in such cases like this, vele kugcina kuvama xenophobic attacks. Yabo. Kugcina kuba nima what you call ma strikes nani yabo.
So ma
shutdown, yeah. Okay, what you think, Malik? Speak on the mic.
You know what's up, ne? Sometimes when we are South Africans, because dog, this thing has been happening for years and years and years and years, and now we are acting because the effects are now showing, dog.
Yeah, they now bizarre now.
It's mean you can go to a clinic and buy that, dog, and check, dog. Your tax money, your tax money must maintain the special. We are taught as much as nalabo nesta basebenzela pha na we tax money yabo ya maintain. So now tell me, dog, when you in a foreign country, we are taught first thing you don't have papers. We are taught, and remember if you don't have papers, angeke uvuke une bank account already is shy. You come here, you open a store. Nami, let's say I'm a South African, I have a store. Meaning my prices are according to livelihood as a South Africa. When you know, dog, you don't pay tax. There's not money. I could dog. I think it's 1 rand. You only get 1 rand. So that's meaning I can compete with you.
You can't, bro.
So who's supposed to have? Who's supposed to be more benefiting in South Africa between the foreign and you? It's you. So now tell me, dog, if no one is paying tax and they're using the same medicine as you, and they don't go to the doctors, dog, my private sectors, and they come, dog, by hospital now. Someone comes. Hospital, dog. It's like, hey, brah, it's easy. Come to South Africa.
Yes.
Brah, they don't ask for nothing, dog. But you go to Zimbabwe, dog. Do just one simple thing, dog. Go and try to infiltrate Iland dog. You'll be arrested. Border. So when you think it's brah, as much as they coming like that, as much as they coming with the Tutula thing, I say it's wrong, I say it's right. Dog, very it's mean, if the government doesn't want to act on this, very nebandi government. So now to do the government.
And I heard already very sebakalile very about hospital days allegedly very now they sweeping them foreigners out. Sweeping them back.
Sweeping. Oh, you were playing. There's no foreigners anymore.
Ne?
Yeah, only the ones that are permitted.
Mara dog, it becomes another thing then, cause here's another thing that's happening now, dog. Eswatini, ne? I don't know what's happening there, dog. I don't have Mara. Apparently, ne, Trump and King Mswati, who's the ruler of the country, they had an agreement. But see, there are people who went from their countries, they went to America, they committed crimes, ne? Now they're chilling there. They want to send them back now, but their home countries, they don't want them. And Mswati was like, bring them. Now, Bongela Bandabo, Baba Shifta will put to Swatini.
From Eswatini.
No, they're from different parts of the world. By America, but they commit a crimes corn.
And I'm feeling about the corners because America is suing aeroplane or when they I had something like that.
Yeah, it's crazy. Of which is scary because in Eswatini line, South Africa,
I'm supposed to live it.
They're gonna peep Swatini for a few months, and then they're gonna peep Zanzibar. So this whole operation to do that thing, that's why I'm saying it's good, but it's also bad, dog.
Kumnyama akukhanye konke kwami akuhlangane ngizame ongela amaplane kimi kubhlungu sengengedwa kumnyama akukhanye konke kwami akuhlangane ngizame ongela amaplane kimi kumnyama sengengedwa kumnyama akukhanye konke kwami akuhlangane